Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I just wanted to drop in on this Saturday really quick and just say a few things about the next couple of weeks, what's going to be going on, that kind of thing. I know that everybody right now is a little bit concerned about the virus, and the kids are going to be out of school, there's places closing down, all that kind of stuff is running through everybody's mind. I know it is mine too. I'm just praying that my grandkids do not get sick. If I do, that's one thing, but I don't want my kids or my grandkids to get sick with it. But the best thing we can do is just, always wash our hands, keep everything clean, don't shake hands with people, don't hug people, that kind of thing. We can just, those are the precautions. Everybody knows that. When it's the flu or something like this, that's just the normal things to do. But on an upside, I want to tell you, I know a lot of us are going to be shut in for the next couple of weeks. And I want to tell you that I am going to be doing a video a day. Not tomorrow, but starting Monday, I'll be doing a video every day. Sometimes I'll do two. It just depends on how much time I'm going to have. But I'm going to need your help to do these videos. I want suggestions left in the comments below as to what you would like for me to do. If you have a photo of something, like if you go to Pinterest and you find something and you'd like for us to do that, if you have a photo that you can email me, that helps me a lot. A lot of times if I just have a photo, I can kind of go by that and make it. But leave suggestions in the comments of different types of videos that you'd like for me to do. If you're going to be shut in and you're going to be at home, all of us want to stay busy. I know I do. I can't stand to just sit around or lay around, something like that. I can't stand it. It drives me crazy. I have to be busy constantly. So if you're like me and you want to have something to occupy your mind and occupy your time and occupy your hands, which is the three most important things that we could do to keep our minds off of all this, then leave me some comments below letting me know some of the things that you would like to see me do. And also, like I said, if you have a photo of something off of Pinterest, off of YouTube, off of anywhere, the internet, that you can find that you would like for me to try to reproduce, then email it to me. My email is below, and I'll also put it right here on the screen. Email it to me, and in the subject up there, just put suggested video or something like that, just so I'll know to check it. But I wanted to drop in and tell you all that, and I am praying for each and every one of you. I know just by looking at my statistics on YouTube, over 50% of my viewers are, my age, in the 60s, something like that. So I know that we're more susceptible to a lot of these diseases and things. And a lot of you have been sick and your immune system is down already. So I'm praying for you that God will just keep you in his hands and that none of you get this illness. I'm praying hard for everybody out there. I don't want to see anyone sick, but I do want all of you to stay well and stay safe. And if you need anything, let me know. I'll try my best to find it for you somewhere. If I can't find it for you locally, I'll try to find it somewhere and ship it to you. Just let me know if there's anything that you're absolutely in need of that you can't do without. If there's medication or something like that that you just can't find, let us know, and we'll try our best to do everything possible that we can to get things to you that you need. All right, now I wanted to show you this. This file will be over on our blog. That link will be directly below. Next week, one of the things that we'll be doing is making a little photo album that looks like an Easter basket. So these are the two PDFs that I have over there on the blog. You can go over and download these for free. I made them today, and this is going to be the pages, and this will be the front. So that'll be the front cover. Now, if you're going to do this for a boy and you don't want the ribbon on there, you can just use this one for the front cover as well, and just cut your little Easter eggs out and put them on there. You don't have to use this one. I just thought the bow added a little bit to it. I liked it. But these will be over They will be free to you. All you have to do is, like I always ask, if you'll subscribe to our videos, if you'll check out our links, anytime that you click on one of our ads, I know those ads pop up on videos and a lot of people hate them, my husband included. But that is just how we make a little bit of money off of our videos. That pays us just a few cents. Every time somebody watches those ads all the way through or clicks on that ad, it just pays us a few cents, and it helps us keep going making these videos and things for you guys. So anytime you watch our ad or you click on a link, or you go below and click on our affiliate links, anything like that, that just gives us a few cents. It doesn't pay us a bunch. It doesn't make us rich, anything like that. It just helps me keep going and making things like this for you guys. So we will talk to you guys later. Everybody stay safe. I love you guys, and I'm praying for each and every one of you that you stay healthy and well, and we will talk to you guys on Monday. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.